Welcome to Pashto Numbers lesson. Today we have from 90 to 100. Yaw Nabi, Yaw Nabi. Yaw Nabi is equal to 91. Dwa Nabi, Dwa Nabi. Dwa Nabi mean 92. Dre Nabi, Dre Nabi. Dre Nabi mean 93. Salor Nabi, Salor Nabi. Pinzin Nabi, Pinzin Nabi. Shpag Nabi, Shpag Nabi. One Nabi, One Nabi mean 97. Atan Nabi, Atan Nabi. Nah Nabi, Nah Nabi. Sal, Sal mean 100. We say Sal, you say 100 or 100. Yaw Nabi, Yaw Nabi. Dwa Nabi, Dwa Nabi mean 92. Dre Nabi, Dre Nabi mean 93. Salor Nabi, Salor Nabi mean 94. Pinzan Nabi, Pinzan Nabi. Pinzan Nabi mean 95. Shpag Nabi, Shpag Nabi is equal to 96. One Nabi, One Nabi mean 97. Atan Nabi, Atan Nabi. Atan Nabi mean 98. Nah Nabi is equal to 99. Sal, Sal is equal to 100 or 100. Yaw Nabi, Dwa Nabi, Dre Nabi, Salor Nabi, Pinzan Nabi, Shpag Nabi, One Nabi, Atan Nabi, Nah Nabi, Sal. If you want to learn how to write Pashto numbers, please refer to first video of Pashto numbers. Over there you can learn how to write the numbers. If you learn from 1 to 9, then you can write all the Pashto numbers or the whole numbers of Pashto. Pashto Learning YouTube channel در سره subscribe کړئ. پښتو زده کړه فیسبوک پاڼه خوښه کړئ. دا هم زما فیسبوک دی او دا هم زما ټویټر دی. الله مو مل شه.